Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Have I ever told you, when you do that, you can't never be unhappy? So hello, all you creative beings around the world, dear friends. Maybe you can put that into your life. In the morning when you wake up, that you say, hey, today's a great day, I'm happy. If you feel if it's a great day or not, it doesn't matter. Why is it like that? Are we lying when we say today's a great day and today's a great day, I'm happy, and we don't feel like that? So try it. If you don't feel happy in the morning, you don't want to wake up, you don't want to stand up of bed, and do that. And you say, hey, I am happy. Check what you will find out. It can be that first thing is a word and then a feeling. Maybe I want to share experience with you that I have had. So there was a time when I have felt that something around me here was not feeling well. It felt very dark there. And per accident, I was in Mumbai and I came in contact with a lady, and she said to me, oh come, let's take a cup of chai in my house. And she was telling that she could see auras, so that she can see the electric magnetic fields around us. So we had a cup of tea, and then when we said goodbye, I asked her, Madam, you say that you can see auras? She said yes. And I said, do you can see? Sometimes I have the feeling that here is something which is feeling not comfortable. Sometimes it feels dark there. And she was looking and said, yes, it is something from your past life, and there was happening something that you cannot forgive. And she said, when you will forgive this will go away. And we said goodbye to each other. Then there was a time when I started to forgive everybody. And it was a kind of prayer. Every morning I sat down and I prayed for forgiveness. So I said, I forgive every soul, every human being which had hurt me, or hurt my soul, hurt my body, or hurt my mind in some way. And I forgive this. And first it was only words. I had no contact to the feelings. And then suddenly I felt that there was a huge feeling coming. A feeling of really forgiving everybody and really love every human being. So sometimes it's so wonderful through only a word to come into your feelings. So what I want to say to you is, in the morning when you are not feeling happy and you do this, today's a great day, I'm happy, then it will come, this feeling will come that you are happy. And as I said before, we need good affirmations, positive affirmations in our life. Because what we are thinking is mostly not positive. And to have a wonderful life and a happy life, it is necessary to keep our mind on the positive things in our life. I wish you all a wonderful and happy life.